Hydrangeas are one of the classic garden flowers that we utilize here in the South. And we're here, it's fall, and they are on their way out before they go into dormancy in wintertime. One of the ugly things that you see going on right now with hydrangeas is this very unsightly leaf spot. Now this is caused by a fungus, and it can cause little dead spots, brown and white spots all over your leaves. Now here we have a limelight hydrangea that this summer was in its full glory, gorgeous, beautiful blooms. What can we do with them to clean them up? Now you can wait till the end of winter or early spring to trim these back, or you can go ahead and take care of these now. These hydrangeas make their flowers on new wood, so this will sprout out new wood in the springtime, and then it'll make the buds for these flowers, so no worries. So if you want to clean up this unsightly kind of area, it's okay to trim back about 1/3 of the bush. If you want to, you can just remove the heads, throw those away, leave the leaves, and then you can treat for this leaf spot, this fungus, with a couple of different organic options. We have this copper fungicide, and we also have this garden floss. You can find different items at your local nursery to help take care of this leaf spot. So you want to get these guys cleaned up this fall, remove all those heads, get them ready for their winter dormancy so that in the spring, when they're ready to bloom again, they're ready to go. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.